Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn how to verify your domain on Google Search Console, and I will show you 3 different ways for verification, and you can pick the method which is easy for you. So before proceeding to the actual tutorial, why is it important to verify your domain on Google Search Console? So basically after verification you will have access to search sensitive Google search data for your site, and also it can affect a site presence and behavior on Google search. So it's very important. So without further ado, let's get started. The first method we will be using is verify through domain host. So go to your domain host, in my case it's GoDaddy, and go to the domain you want to verify and click on manage DNS. I already opened it in a new tab for you guys, so to save your time. And here, after clicking on manage DNS, you will have this window. Now click on add and select txt, and now go to search console and add property. Here you have to enter your domain without any HTTP or HTTPS and click continue. It is searching for the verification tag. Now you will have this new pop-up. What you have to do is click on this copy. After that, go to the domain, and here you will have to type @ in host, and in txt value paste the value you copy and leave it as it is and click on save. So it's after that, when you click on save, you have to go to your search console and click on verify. Sometime it take 5 minutes, or in most cases it take up to 24 hours. So be patient with the changes. It will work after some time. So the second method we will be using is through Cpanel. So I will go to the Cpanel. In my case it's E2 hosting. Click on Cpanel. So in the Cpanel you have to go to the domain section and click on zone editor. Here select the domain you want to verify and click on manage. Now click on record, and valid zone name you have to paste your domain name, and in type you have to select txt, and in record you have to paste the same meta tag which we copied earlier. And click on add. So after adding, the process is same. You have to click on verify, and sometime it take 5 to 10 minutes, and sometime it take 24 hours. So be patient. So the third method we will be using is verify through Cloudflare. So go to the Cloudflare account you have and click on the domain you want to verify. In my case it's jabrilln.com. Now go to the DNS, go to the record and click on add record. Here select txt, and here you have to type as @ and leave it as auto, and copy this verification tag and paste it here. Click on save. Now click on verify. So as you can see, with Cloudflare it is verify in a matter of second. So now go to the property, and as you can see you have all the data you have for this domain in your search console. So I hope guys you enjoy this video, and if it's helpful, please give it a like and do subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.